Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an AstroLux S42S. Now I was sent this light from BANGGOOD.com. Comes in this box, so let's open this up and see what's in. Comes with the user manual as well as the UI. Comes with the lanyard and extra O-rings. So we're going to go ahead and take this lanyard out, and we're going to go ahead and install some of these other parts on the flashlight. I have the extended tube 18650 for better run time, but it also comes with the standard tube, but the lanyard. Now this comes with a screw-on attachment here, so you can break a window with that. Very nice. And the switch has a LED on it to let you know that it is ready, and the LED behind the switch is letting you know that it does have power, and also can be used to let you know where the light is in the dark. Very nice. Really nice rough knurling on there. Definitely not going to slip out of your hands. It's got a good size to it. Very nice. All around incredible machining and craftsmanship on this. It's amazing. Okay, and that's what the light looks like with everything put on. Now the nice thing about this one is that it's actually USB rechargeable. And this is a copper and stainless steel. Now I get a lot of questions asked about how I personally put my lanyards in there. Now, you know, trying to do your fingers in here and you're trying to shove it in there, oh, it's a pain in the butt. Well, what I do to put my lanyards in, get some dental floss, cut you off a piece, put the string in the hole, both the string and make a good pull here. Put these two ends together. Once you've got these two ends even, these go right in the hole real easy. Like that. See how they're feeding through? Then you're going to grab them and grab both of them together. Doesn't matter how you do it. Then you've pulled your lanyard through there. Now you can take the dental floss away, put your lanyard through like you normally would, and you're done. All with some, everybody has this in their house, dental floss. Gets the job done quickly. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'll show you what cell I'm running. And I am running, now I'm running the LG HG2s. These are 3000 milliamps, and these kick out 20 amps. These are the strongest battery I own, and they are the best performing battery that I have as well. And these are flat cell, unprotected. So we're going to go ahead and put this back in. Show you the spring on this is very heavy duty. Show you the head of the light. Very heavy duty. Go ahead and put the light back together here, and we'll go through the UI. Alright, now that we've got everything, got that indicator back on, letting us know it's ready to rock. Okay. Now the UI is pretty simple on this. All you have to do is click it one time. That starts off on the lowest setting. It does have 7 light outputs. We're going to go through them now. And that's 2023 lumens. Oh, that is incredibly bright. Now, when you want to go into the special modes, you're going to press and hold this. It's going to come on in turbo again. Click through. We'll get you strobe. Next one is the battery indicator. So we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 100% charged battery on that. We're going to go to the next level. That is a considered a bike beacon. People using them on bikes. And then we're going to click it again. Goes back to the regular UI. So let's take this outside into the wilderness and see how it does. We are out here in the darkness with the AstroLux S42S. You can see it's ready to perform for us tonight. And we're going to go ahead and start it off on the lowest one, and that is moonlight. And it is faintly making, and it makes about 5 to 6 feet in front of me. So we're going to go to the next level. And now you can see on this, it's making the 7 to 10 feet and faintly making the 25 feet in front of me. We're going to go to the next level. Now you're seeing the huge floody beam that this thing puts out. Shine it on the fence for you so you can see real wide floody beam. Okay, we're going to go to the next level. Not much difference in that level from the last, but now we're starting to see a very floody, wide wall of light. Now pan it around. We're going to go over here to the 45-foot level there. So just goes to show you there. And now we're going to go to the next level. Big, huge wall of light. Now you're starting to see the trees a little more. Now we're going to go to the next level. It's going up some more. Pan around. Now this is going to show a large area at once. Doesn't have a super long throw on it. And it is faintly making the tree of life. Huge area of light. Now we're going to go to the next level. And that is impressive. Look at that. That is crazy bright. 2023 lumens. We're going to run this, see how long it stays on. at this level of light output, I'm sorry, before stepping down. This is doing really good. Wow. Look at how wide this beam is. All the way down on the ground. Here I am with the light. Look at that. Now it's stepped down, so we're going to go ahead. I'm going to go up to the next light output again. And there's turbo again. Look at how much light this thing has. Look at the coverage area. You need a good 1 minute of turbo like this. This thing has it. Look at how wide this light area is. Put it on the tree of life. Look at all the way down below it. Look at how wide it is. Just a huge wide area of light. Incredible. Incredible. A lot of light coming out of this. And it has stepped down. And then I notice it's doing it gradually. So it's not a big boop, drop. It just slowly, gradually goes down. All right. Very nice. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing is a floody monster. And I mean, huge wall of light over a wide area. This thing is incredible. Has a slight more bit of power over the S41. And I also own those as well, and I did a review on. This is just incredible. This is top of the line finishing. I like the stainless steel. Some people say stainless steel is a little too heavy. That may be the case, but build quality, they're going to last forever. This is amazing quality light. Now this area gets extremely hot, which is normal because this is pure copper. Other than that, as long as you're holding it down here, you should have no problems. It cycles down like it should for safety. Now I want to thank BANGGOOD.com for sending me this light for review. Now if you are interested in getting this light, just look up on the screen right about right there. And if you're interested, you can use my discount code to save you some money. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.